So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the underline on some text here in Microsoft Word. So first thing you have to do is fire up Microsoft Word. Next thing you have to do is type some text and add an underline to it. So if you wanted to add an underline beforehand, you can go to this bar right here, make sure the home bar is selected, go to this U with the underline below it, press on that, and then you can type in whatever you want, and it should add an automatic underline to every word that you type. So if I were to type in the word word or the word this is an example, everything should be underlined. Now if you wanted to only underline a certain part, simply just unpress this, and if you were to type again this is an example, nothing's underlined now, but now if you wanted to underline a certain word, it will just underline example, highlight example, go to the top and press on the underline button. Now, if you wanted to change sort of how the underline sort of works, it's very straightforward. What you can do is you can either just highlight it right here. As you can tell, underline is selected. Simply just press on this drop down bar right here to open up this screen. You can add a double line, you can add like a bolded line, you can add a squiggly line, whatever the case may be. I can kind of play around with this way and add maybe a dotted line, whatever the case is there. But it's pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can edit the underline style, I guess you can say, on text here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.